this is the greatest time to live in rural areas. Enothamile ngibuya kuma-townships say yo lapha bayastrugglisha nota.
Oh yeah.
Yabo. One thing that funny understand ukuthi bantu labo kuma-townships yabona majority wabo baye lapha because of indaba employment yabo hayi ukuthi vele banala ma-resources especially ma-finances ethi bakhona ukusupporta i-life yasemadorobheni.
Oh yeah, lapho yile nje kuyocaca. Let's just say taxi driver.
Yabona nale mali yendaba vele just
maphina see ukuthi uyothenga ama
heater
but ngiyogesi babothi ngiheater mangabe vele gesa ke. So let's just say uthenga stove sala every week who supply malahla ababasi ngoni. So le mali sigcine so vele sekusekhaya ingabuye eJozi masabu lapho.
So ingakho mina I'm like even though emakhaya kunzaba despanze leti draft ndoda spana sitholakala emakhaya nathatha yabona vele somehow if uthiwa uthola nje umsebenzi boelmelo or uthiwa uthola umsebenzi anywhere for that matter lokusedorobheni tafuna ubuke the local township area yabo yabo then from there that's where you thought maybe labanye futhi naba lenzawo leto titele ama-judgments not right then kuyakhiwa imikhukhu not right bantu barente imikhukhu bahlale khona leti ndawo okhansi even nama-townships akhona ngathi abhekabhekile bantu barenta etindlini letakhiwe ngestim even irent akhona yingathi zexaxa. So already utelapha maybe usebenza estore usebenza eShoprite or maybe usebenza bo Spar yabona uhola 4,000 not yabona. So if kuthiwa manje sekwendeka lenzaba tabuma load shedding and stuff like that yabo seku difficult because one kufuna make it sure ukuthi upheka ngeschedule esithile. Emsebenzini awuvumeli yabo uphuma asithi njenga libo ML yabo. So lende kuna 2 yale schedule kuna schedule saka municipal yabo sekune schedule sa Eskom you'd find ukuthi lesa Eskom athi Eskom okay ndo thatha gesi ngabo 5 ngobuyisa ngo 7 yabo athi municipal okay ngiyathatha ngo 9 ngobuyisa ngo 11 yabo. So wena ufuna ubeke sure ukuthi ngale period yabo from 7 to 9 uyapheka yabo. And you don't get to watch your shows and what because ngekubukele ububhizi upheka and what yabona. Then immediately after that uyolala yabona guess uyabuya ngabo 11 everyone so late because one thing later ulale early kunokuthi nje kuthi into lesengibhizi ngayo.
I was just thinking sekuthi lento yeku nale topic nje lebe sifunza ku geography like decentralization. So
decentralization.
So we see government like any man means we say asusela ama businesses always to rural areas. So like bro ikhonje le matown so baba ukhona ikmover awukhona kwenda next
just it's just that in good society not everything is proven. I remember that there was a time level kunya ukuthi Johannesburg lange pass ngathi sakusana boma anything because ngiyakujwa yabo lenza abantu abaningi but like if government bangakhona ukumove our businesses from there abuye emakhaya
but ke buka ngosifacana nenkinga lefana ukuthi sisenabo shift lamakhaya siseneba buka phela I hate bato ya eDonton.
Apparently it was brutal.
Apparently story saseDonton. Okay, I'm not sure I'm facts. Someone was that is the root I'm correct. But there was this guy ne wayakshi wafike wathenga umhlaba a piece of land. Wasuto wakimona. Then othenga umhlaba then he started building waka but emkhathini kwakha I don't know what happened, but this is a rumor.
It's fine. I'm not that. See, the Spanish society we are allowed to make money.
So, but there's this guy who travel on bicycle.
Okay, yeah.
But naye wahamba wayakushiva wayothenga lomhlaba. I think he paid 2 times the money ethenga but I don't know mall.
Already this one so uqalile yakhe.
Uqalile imoli yacapha uzibona batetoyelana. So imoli it's in proper process.
It's in crazy. No, already shoot umhlaba sosiwa shift.
Apparently still washing. Wahamba wayothenga wayanika shifu 2 times imali yane kunomuntu emoli yona ne then wasise ucosha labantu labakhabo lapha ukuthi i-reason abacosha ngayo amabhasi akhe engasendi imali because they have to transport bantu from let's just say kusuka lamakhaya to bo-emelo so if so
labantu labakhako bahlala kuphi kanye
so like basi kufike i-private contract like just say usukele Jozi uthenga umhlaba la wakhe imoli la
utani bani babo okay
yebo bo uvimbe unemployment lo muntu uvimbe employment basically this guy uthi lamabhasi akhe ngingasakhona kuthatha abantu from Dondon to Emelo to Tlazathi to whatever
so
ngithi into mabhasi
yeah sikayibona le logic because like
so ibakhe le mall so ibhasi yakhe ngisayisa umuntu Emelo sengiyokwenda Emelo like from eShabalala eGlen moyidondon even iMayflower even phela isuka ngakubona ngile bus kubheka le
yebo ndoda ngingabo Tillis ndoda Tillis is part of la monthly transport
I'm not sure but akho manje ngabhaliwe man
yabhaliya wow
just imagine
but yabo le ndaba ima gatekeeping and like
but I'm saying mina kuse ungishifu ba corrupt njani ngalendlela lesone kuse
okay mina bengisafuna one thing first bengisafuna ukudibuta ukuthi esiseyini imisebenzi yabo shift la
uyini umsebenzi wa shift
la things are when like literally I'm not saying ukuthi ba users what I don't know ukuthi imisebenzi wabo yabona because even naslamakhaya ukhona shift yabona but even I don't remember even a single day where seen a problem and you like yathi nasingakhuluma na shift
angayilungisi noma sive basikhale ngale shift ibambile yalunga
yabo because if so khuluma ngema community affairs yabona no lapho siya trust ma police yabo to handle that thing yabona
bro
if so khuluma nge rural development so trust ama structures ma political structures la khona la uyiseseyile imisebenzi yabo and these people bathola imali phela uhulumeni yababhadala every month some serious cash badika imoto 30 imali botabo 800,000 every now and then yabo and if somebody lona so much perks and so much like benefits akuza phinde abe part of my schemes and the corruption yethi a stop development at the place le recognize ngayo phela lenza recognize ngayo as chifinza yakho yebo mase tophinze when the sitting but just okay guys these are just speculations like we are saying this lenza balena kusesengapublishwa anywhere where kuthiwa this is the going on we know ukuthi Dondon ba strikela in
ma allegations
I mean I remember ba strikela zaba e mall ba strikela zaba e police station that hence why I think at some point I think my last week or so but we saw skido sibheke past and stuff
but I think indlela esitoyitoya ngala South Africa very stupid saying
everything in South Africa stupid but I don't blame nabantu ntwana
like we have to do better bro we have to do better like ngeke ukuthi uyatoyitoya uhambe ushisa clinic
okay it's fine I'm full wishes clinic yabona i-clinic ngiyayidzinga like every now and then bantu abethu sithola abantwana manje bayagula not i-clinic vele siyayidzinga yabona then what do I do because end of that every day sikhuluma nebantu bemthetho do something about nabugebengu lokugcwele la titradini yabona ngoba like yeah we are on top of it we are doing
how see ubonile nota athukana nemaphoyisa
what's going on with that guy
okay but I'm playing lapha so bukela Nota was passing because we are shooting lento le uphasa ku traffic ne so maka traffic una ngisho load shedding so ma traffic lights awasebenzi then balaba control the traffic cabanga like uthi balaba homeless according to Nota like laba clean lapha was a fruit man whoa
okay yeah okay ngiyabona
but into lebuhlungu ma traffic cop akhona emelapha nama metro cop emelapha emengale komgwaco uthi according to Nota usibe wacela intshontsho kule outlet ngani uzacela ibribe from the outlet wathuka Nota ubeka kusekenibhadara nini ukuthi into ngitshela yona nyalo buka traffic controllable bani busy lapho nizama mantshontsho
and that excellence aba ye corruption especially ma traffic coppers ngotela emgwaqweni like everywhere la uhamba khona everyone that bantu sebaze ba confident even nje eclose pass baxoxa ukuthi asawe sub ma traffic la South Africa gibeli imoto I won't say the guys but from yasiswazini yabona baba like excel you don't want to get into trouble na any law enforcement agency nje eSwaziland.
Vele yabo Eswatini manje yakuse one thing lengichaza ngeSwaziland ekuse bangayigceka bathini ekuse umthetho eSwaziland
uyalandzela. And not only just maphoyisa not even the culture that I respect.
Like ekuse ngifike eSwazini, just imagine emall beseya kaMahala. So mawubhekele ngase-Uniswa kunalenye i-complex nyana leda. So mawufika kule complex lapha sipaka imoto, masipaka le moto ngibona a guy like laba gada le moto. Apparently uthi abra baqashwe ngule complex ukuthi baqashe le moto. Just imagine the convenience way. Just imagine. La South Africa you have to pay like 2 rand ukuthi akade le moto. Abona ukuthi udahlile ushaya le moto yakayebe.
But lapha la machi dakchela to say, you know what, once is in South Africa, like we can worry about all this guy will call but I think this guy knows something push I don't know because the story you can clearly tell long you worried for then that's worried now utu worried ngoba ubla shaking ngubo la ngemuva and akana explanation yalethi ngubo I'm like usobuta mina ngifuna ukuthi ngibuye emgcwabeni ngitshelele ama local areas ukuthi ngathi sibuya kuphi
wena so umnika the lay of the land.
Yeah, I'm like okay la Kazgima was like if ihlangana nemaphoyisa I'm not getting into this one but for the second thing for the transport manje entertain literally if you just stand up boys imagine coming lift lana and ngobhadala imali yami deal but the one thing about this guy like I said I know ukuthi baze bayadethe ma traffic ala ma sports wawo amaku uyabona actually it's okay and in certain extent I don't know normal ama traffic kuhlala kubanibani every now and then it's the person who can Swaziland okutshela ukuthi ya enzo leso safana nabanibani nyamati banibani ethanda imali banibani soya ngathi vele banibani beka ifamily esikhabi idile
angisiba move every day labantu so you ngeuhlala ungabantu labantu
but let's say so comfortable no direct I know ukuthi I will bribe this person like lento sezisisho confidently no
we know but and yathi sena point I cannot blame lama phoyisa ngaleyo ndlela ne the system yethu corrupt to the point because I'm like if you were paying lama phoyisa lama traffic cop enough understand angeke bathemtheke ukuthi bro yathi say if you are stuck between a rock and hard like I'm stuck between choosing a bribe name seven wami because every time I say bribe but if we are aware my options wakho uthi le risk vibe if le risk I can do it uyabona ukuthi so government ubafaka kule pressure le ukuthi anytime babona ukuthi thatha le risk you can take it understand.
Okay but for when how much do you think which government is supposed to be paying? Let's just say the security
a lot Bobby like these people are protecting us let's just say la we sibanjiwe la bafike ngedibhamu you have to come about the long inhlaba lapha inhlaba yaphuma esibhameni ba once it leaves there iya somewhere so lo msebenzi wabo dangerous to the point ukuthi they should be getting paid more than teachers.
Teachers
sure
fuck man they are creators.
Okay maybe I made a mistake about teachers but they should be paid more than like they should be
a lot of
somewhere
especially private learning institutions
they should be getting paid bro they should be getting paid
but me I'm like just making an estimation with it for when you like how much is
apparently now benda malin 22
yeah
benda 22 because my early training 6 months when that was 7k
yeah 7.2
yeah bo so buke
but hlukene ngalama departments
yabo so mangabe nje uya ku ground level like the first now in constable
constable
so more constable
we are 22
just imagine getting 22 baba ukuthi uyotutshulwa ngapha no ngibona sigebengu nje nami silahle ngibhatara 22
uba like yo no that can't die for 22
sithola ngapha nje speed games wangishiya wangishiya ngeke bro but ubuka amaphoyisa etashaka emkhabani
okay sani into beka 26
still incane
30
still incane
35
sure at least we are 35 to 40 bro
but I'm saying at least 40
Yeah, 35
Because
to
let's say
40.
I don't know lie, man. Gunebandu who just sit like this and make my entertaining videos and what try yabo, or some of them maybe not entertaining videos, but mainstream media very straight yabo, but they are making a hell lot of cash.
Bro,
But the person there's no risk in
we are
also
people charge my way.
yeah.
But he was getting paid 350.
Yeah, but just to sit down and talk.
It does a 3-hour show. Like okay, saying we time here, but it's lifetime, so I think it's 2 to
yes,
2 to
5,
2 to 5.
Mm.
Just imagine 350,000.
And there's no risk in them $7.
Oh, restaurant, give to be touched. What is judge?
Hence why I'm like, it's when it comes to that, even while because 70 the very last 7 and mass
Oh yeah.
Low 40 could be reasonable because South African money. Say my calculator
Oh.
over every now and then good to set the out of corruption.
Like SAPC value government now.
Yeah, it's a government. Yeah, but
just imagine if you paying one guy 350,000, but gunema poisa
now what about 22,000? The person every now and then now extend the mundo is exposed to risk. Let's say I might lose my life, man.
Every time.
Every now and then.
Crash. Let's just say one bankang ngabopha mangphuma ngizinza tamnyisa lo.
But I mean, I feel like it's the very same thing, Sabelo, like what I was saying. I don't know if it was on camera or off cameras now. It's I mean, last South Africa, they've managed, I don't know for whatever reason, but Makonile will convince almost every significant someone to be desperate enough, you can accept anything.
Yeah. But I think even by the TV, but the English and desperation
cool.
If you don't take this thing, Baba, it's over now. But I think this thing it come out from, let's just say, Baba, you haven't been working for a long time. It's like very opportunity.
You haven't been working for a long time. That's where they're creating a desperation. Because a person, like especially a graduate, is not supposed to stay out of work for so much period of time.
Cool.
So man, I'm like, okay, I know Wuti, the solution gufuna it deeper than just go cash. Because somehow the corporate world is filled, So good that good name 70 calling and two things. It's our education system. One, useless. Like
I was talking to this guy, so my weekends I know when so far attend
okay, yeah.
So from 75 where you get a score standard 6. My you get a score standard 6. He was still learning about them this funds and that. He was but I felt the skin abela particular am bote kuthi yini insinza bejats yini sicaka
the same thing as soon as akhuluma ngathi and bro umhlaba soshintshe kangangani
ngabo 75 bayafunza ngabo bo Adolf Hitler nomkhulu
buka
I'm like bro isita ngane into le bro awa besikhuluma ngekuthi so lomkhulu ufelwe imoto yakhe
okay yeah
so uhambile around uthi ufuna ama local mechanics a few lawa umsebenzi wawo lamaye tena njani afika alungise lo kabilale lo to wathi kubuya kusasa bro I love yeah uto wathi uthi ubuye kusasa no just your story it's incredible so uthi there's this Zimbabwean guy there's a education system yase Zimbabwe yeah. It's far better than ours. It's just that the government
but far behind, like by destroy to a level
yeah. So as Zimbabwe they have this thing, but see, grade 4, you choose what you want to do in life.
That's the very same thing I was saying in the education system in South Africa. That's what we need to implement.
Not
like
just
some sort of a psychometric test.
Yeah, not just choose it. After choosing it, I'll say anything like everyone. If you want shows you want to be an electrician, but electric class, you start grade 4. So what it chupela, so what it now. Grade 4, so what it was engine, ibuwa jani, the jani. Then go on level engineering. Maybe so ubobuga most of my foreigners, Usma Fera South Africa. Namsha plumber,
because the person who understand that younger and on a practical level.
Mega exposed. Most choice a class in the electric. We are
plumbing.
Most choice a class in plumbing. Mechanical.
And okay, sorry for cut. And that's what I was trying to learn to say. The education system is in South Africa, but it has been adopted from more developed countries where they are training people for employment.
Yeah.
But we need people who will create employment.
That's nice.
So certain education system like Jolo Kaza from Zimbabwe, it's geared towards the creation of employment. Because markets all happen. So what you can assemble your team. And open electric shop. An electric shop without a receptionist. Without a human resource,
a technician,
and what so marketing, what strategies, research, all of those people say baba hired because of gufunda wakulo we want. So the education system the geared towards entrepreneurship rather than the system itself,
bro.
So yeah, but this guy looks at him.
So this guy ma figure lapha ngendlela ayatinga khona le moto, bro. This guy is I think he's 25.
Just imagine.
This guy. So what figure what keep the engine? Like I'm not good with cars, but in a board to the lapa engine in so I think it be rosy level. What cut an engine from scratch? Why nabi is so like
piece by
piece. Cool bigger worry do what I say. Do you know what you're doing? Because engineer mind has something to start to
and the Balabam Yam and once I can and the time TV because I'm talking now at the TV. It could be told, but then that's when it can't take
exactly the child. That's it. Oh man, check can I keep a little so I think about it, keep on some weird so this guy white cutter, but it's a little point. Why another email? My favorite things, Babuana, why fast, lemon yaham. I keep machine do to run a move.
Just imagine.
I keep machine.
Good education system. That's what I was saying. Because right now, even while you're on the government, you're born with learned low puppies by train about good bio cash or some. So cash okay, I was saying it's that thing. The education system. If you change the education system, and the training a corner band to get. Emparisha, Bandabasha,
certified.
But the skills.
Like even the skill, like say.
Then another thing, as any incentivize enough labandu, labatana, la Mr. Bedi. In such a long angasabi, which has a retirement. Because right now, the Siploco, but if not retire.
Bro, I like talking to people, so I'll get my conversation like I was with Kumalama. So, Uti Escolwen, lower LO. Before I found this LO, I found this pipe, out base, drive base, Hambisang pass the score. It's low member, I found this pipe 19 something. I'm like, I'm like, yo, man, Manga found this away now. Unga and a pesco. So it's a retirement. I'm about to car.
And the magic Tabanga Batala, Labanga Funi, who Puma Miss but go out into the Puma what would see 5 years down the line, sing that be saying me poor as fucking
when I finally child, I took him seats.
Seats are cool, all of the things.
I was watching the episode that Dr. Maling.
Wait,
I was watching the episode that bro, it said the Bolum Zalakala.
And you know what's a minute I was speaking it's CIP what like the company about intellectual property. So I was trying to register I was trying to design a logo for the channel show. So I was trying to copyright file for a copyright for the logo. So I wanted to register even the channel as a business and all of those things that I tried about. And I had to start from scratch in order to read and understand what's the process, the procedure, and all of those things. You like I said, these are the basics. Even you to open entrepreneurship. If you to start any business, these are the basics. If you know these things, you know, it's okay. I have to go to this company. I can't even call the company. You know,
bro. Bro, why let's just say I need to mean cancel our fund, our pumping money to this thing because I can see you doing something.
Something. At least trying something.
Awuganga when you start something, ne? Why not couldn't cancel just in the toss the money from the
yeah, just because
the money like let's say then so I'll say worried the money. You know, I'm spend the money what's in tang, full spend the lenny money and external pipe, the flesh and money latang. Just but interesting.
Safuni an equipment in the day.
And
then I don't think it's go more than I need to go. I don't think it's go more than 100 meters because gonna pipe and do a lang and little channel coming on.
Sure.
So it's just opinion from the
yeah, Puna Wendy from Procentally
you meet me halfway na something.
Yeah, but see response ya kids then. It's the guna lumunye babe. Lengangnya namba ke ukhulumena ndothi
ukhuluma no ba because mina ngiyawena
but visa like mina ngikhuluma nawe mina I should be talking to you ukhulume nabantu abadila ngaletinto Samele ngikhulume nawe phela ukukhuluma nabantu abadila
kuyini umsebenzi wakho
and ngiyathaba into enyenza samele ngiyothi chaza kulabo bantu
and bese bantu baba surprised if bantu labasha bangasabi active kuma local politics yabona. You like that I want to, but every now and then that I'm trying to involve myself in this thing. I'm being shut down.
I've been kuma na uyini kodwa mapena ku EFF.
Ngathi ngizibambote uthi chairperson.
Yeah, kulumana. Ngibala say like in Bizngani inji.
Yeah,
EFF ni Bizngani amakhaya.
Yes. What's the objective? What's the mission? Whatever, all those things.
Uthi hayi now EFF sithina sitaba like lento lesho na.
Sitebani kuphi ngani? Tell me something.
Phela asinato into lesinganisita ngato ngama.
Manje siyabantu abangeneleni.
Ngitha bro like uthi kodwa ngakhethe Mackenzie. Uthi bona they started helping people from their pockets man before bathola isity angithi ngathi mase uthole like maybe 100% a million following like my participants wakho then government iqale yayifunda le political party yakho.
Wow.
Yeah, but then manga bese
you know I was asking,
I found no political party.
I was asking myself the very same thing. I'm like kunena ma political parties excelot na sofika ku ballot ndo ukaze kuqela political parties ngathi more than
GZ. What is
it? Mangaba political parties are South Africa more than 50 something.
Hey maninga cool bro, maninga cool.
Yeah, so I'm like mina lama parties are sebawagcineleni. Mina I was thinking uthini nje lo ibalo tendela.
So wathola a certain following iphampa imali government.
But as now the certain followings like my political parties now, but no.
Phela angithi une hence why ban forced nini but yolandza card lakho nje.
Well, ngikhumbula.
So hence why I forced them to my membership, understand? So then my membership mama isubmit le bona bathole cash, understand? So and the best in turn my private sponsors, understand? Njengabo Bokaitin Mackenzie bas sponsoration ro peso.
Yeah,
but
that guy corrupted a lot of people. But for me, not to say fuck off, but yeah, I feel like, especially like if my platforms are given to bandu laba already established.
Yeah,
I was checking Minelama. Almost every podcast in South Africa right now. If you're in my interviews, you need to be somebody somewhere.
Yeah, you need to be somebody.
But such platforms, these are platforms that feel like uplift, change the situation. Like you see, we've got so many graduates. The person yes, who maybe good Spanish, but blama graduates are platform too. Tell us, what happened? Where is the problem? Why aren't you employed? So because every now and then now talk to bandabasha bapike emisebenzini bandabasha ababuke kuma right place areas and all that aseske babuye bahlale phambi kwethu basitshele ukuthi ngula nibuka khona because I don't think ukuthi kunesamba longihamba ayo nikela for their entire 4 years education still so I understand the industry like you ahamba lapha yofuna ngikunikela 4 years ku agriculture sengihamba ngifuna umsebenzi ku London ku economics ngiyaphi lapho
Ngisacela by accountant.
ngicela ba-accountant.
You're looking at the wrong place. The right place is there in the
But
account card.
and these two sentences akufuneki abe on the same sentence.
Yeah.
You can't be telling me ukuthi I'm picky uphinde uthi I'm looking at the wrong place. If uthi I shouldn't be picky, which means I should be looking everywhere. And if I'm looking everywhere, you are in the wrong place.
You said I shouldn't be picky, but you
I'm like some of these things are just excuses or people in positions so that they could get away. And just because we are not being given an opportunity to question anything like South Africa, then you still like,